car and leaving you stranded, making you late to work? Are you not safe in your car? If your car is not living up to your expectations, get in a newer, nicer, more reliable vehicle at your local Byrider dealership. We take trade-ins in any condition, giving you a great value for your trade-in and an opportunity to get yourself in a newer, nicer, again, a safe, reliable vehicle that comes with an unmatched optional 4-year, 48,000 mile service contract.
So why wait? Find a car that you can count on. Get out of your old vehicle and get in one of ours. We have a great selection of makes and models on our lot waiting just for you. Call today at 608-663-1213 or stop by for a visit at 5234 High Crossing Boulevard here in Madison, Wisconsin, 53718.